I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the December 2023 Allure Beauty Box. This is a monthly beauty subscription, which I believe now has increased to $25 a month. It comes with 6+ products and 3 are guaranteed to be full size. Every now and again you get an additional full size product. I have not seen any spoilers, but let me just tell you, this box is pretty heavy. So it's either going to contain a lot of skincare or hair care products. And just in general, this box does lean heavy on skincare. So if you're after a makeup beauty subscription, this one, it probably isn't the best for you. But I think for $25, this box is fantastic. All right, it does come with a booklet, which will have details on the products and prices for the full-size item. All right, let's see what the first item is. Something squishy. Okay, this is from Aquafor, and it's repairing hand masks. It's advanced therapy, repair dry skin, and restore soft, smooth, healthy-looking skin on hands and cuticles. You only have to wear them for 10 minutes. Interesting. I've never seen tried gloves with skincare for the hands, but my hands can use some help. So that's a new and different product that I've never received in a beauty subscription before. All right, so this is full size. The pair of gloves is 7 ounces and retails for $5.99. This is a sponsored product, so I'm hoping and predicting that we will get 3 additional full-size products, or at least I hope this isn't one of the full-size products they're counting for this box. All right, next item. Ooh, this packaging looks familiar. Yes, it's from PIXI. Okay, so this here is the PIXI Rose Radiance Perfector. I don't know what that is. It's in pink pearl. Wait, so if there's a shade, is this makeup? All right, I'm feeling a little better about the word rose. I do not like the scent of rose. Let's see what this is. Ooh, are you going to be a liquid blush maybe? Ooh, now I'm even more confused. What is this? Balance Perfector. All right, hold on. Let me grab the booklet. Ah, okay, so this here is a highlighter. It's the PIXI Rose Radiance Perfector. Why don't they just put the word highlighter on the tube? So this retails for $18 and is full size. Let's take a look. Okay, it does not come safety sealed, which on the one hand, why? On the other hand, it makes it easy for me to do a swatch. Okay, so it's very liquidy. Ooh, it's a soft pink. But once it's blended into the skin, there you go. Let me just shift. Ooh, that's really pretty. Am I already wearing highlighter? Yes. So do I want to put this on? Well, I'll just add a little more because why not? And knowing me, I'll probably end up filming a beauty subscription product get ready with me between what comes in this box and the upcoming Ipsy box. All right, next item. What do we have here? It's a bottle of some sort with a spritzer. Why? With the word rose. It's a Rosewater and Glycerin Hydrating Facial Mist. Ooh, I am super dry and could use a facial mist. Of course, it is completely sealed in memento. Please don't smell like rose. All right, let's see what the mister's like. Oh, it's trying not to be aggressive, but she's a little aggressive. All right, very aggressive. And has a subtle scent of rose. I have a bottle from a different brand that had a really good mister where I will have to just empty that in and use that other packaging because that one, ooh, I can still feel the dots of product trying to dry on my face. I'm not sure if I mentioned or not, but this is from a heritage store, and this is not full size because full size, oh, it is. Okay, that's deceiving. This is 4 fluid ounces. I was thinking this was 2 ounces. Nope. And it retails for $8.49. Wow. That is super affordable if you like it, but ooh, not with that mister. All right, next item is one of those kind of metal squeezy tubes and it's all crinkly. What are you? Okay, it says head and hair heal. Rooster mask. No, booster mask. But what is a booster mask? Hold on, is this for the hair? I'm going to need my little friend here. Okay, so it says this rich floral scented hair mask with shea butter, smooths frizz, gives a boost and shine, and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so full size retails for $9.90 for 50 ml. And how many ml? 50 ml. Okay, so this is the full size. Wow, I don't use or buy hair masks, but that seems kind of small. But it's affordable. It's under 10 bucks. I forgot to mention this is from a brand called NILA. I've never heard of that brand, but let me know if you have and if their products are any good. All right, next item, we have a little squeezy tube. Okay, this is from a brand I've never heard of called BL'EAU, and this is an Illuminating Seaweed Clay Mask. I'm lazy and don't really use masks, but if it's under 10 minutes, I might put one on when I'm in the shower doing my hair. What does this say? Okay. It says 5 to 10 minutes. I love it when it's only 5 minutes. I will toss it in my shower, and sometime in the next year or two, you may see that in an empties video. This is a sample size. It's 15 grams. The full size retails for $39 and you get 80 grams. All right, next item. Ooh, we have something from ELEMIS. All right, value of the box already shot up without me knowing what this is. All right, so this here is the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. This seems to be a frequent flyer in a lot of beauty subscription boxes. And what's sad is I own a ton of products from ELEMIS, but I've never tried them. I've been hoarding them in order to make all of my skincare one brand and do a review, but I've been trying to get a serum. I don't own a serum from the brand. I may have to just buy it myself because we always tend to get this cream, but I've heard really good things about it. All right, what does that retail for? Yep, so this is the 30 ml tub and it retails for $90. So for $25, you get a $90 face cream and like 6 or 7 other products. So this subscription is really good. All right, the next item, what do we have here? A big box that says BILLIE. It's the Cool Blue Starter Kit. So it comes with 1 razor handle, 2 5-blade razor refills, and 1 magnetic holder. All right, is it a sexy item? No. Is it practical? Yes. So the starter kit costs $10, and they included a kind of coupon code where you can get 50% off your first order of refill blades. All right, again, not the sexiest of items in a beauty subscription box, but really practical, and I definitely will use it. All right, let's recap everything that came in the December 2023 Allure Beauty Box. So we got from Aquafor a pair of hand masks, from BILLIE the Cool Blue Razor Starter Kit, a booster hair mask from NILA, a Rosewater and Glycerin Hydrating Facial Mist from the Heritage Store, the Radiant Perfector Highlighter from PIXI, an Illuminating Seaweed Clay Mask from BL'EAU, and the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream from ELEMIS. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I've seen better boxes and I've seen worse. I would say the saving grace is this $90 face cream from ELEMIS. It's very pedestrian, but it's nice to get a razor, particularly with 2 refills of a 5-blade razor. I'm excited to get a makeup product in the box, and I love highlighter, so I'm excited to give this product a try. It's winter time, and my hands could use some love. It's only 1 pair, but if it's nice, it wasn't super expensive. Is a clay mask my favorite product? No. It's a sample. and it's only 5 minutes, so I guess I will use it. I've received worse products. This mister is horrible. So I highly recommend, if you have a really good mister and you use up the product, to hang on to it in case you get something else where the mister is not very good. Last item, I just have short hair. I get it cut frequently. I don't have to worry about dry split ends or frizz or any of that stuff. So when I get hair creams or what is this, a leave-in mask, it's just, to me it's a wasted product because I know I'm not going to use it. But I will put this aside for either a trade or a giveaway. All right, I'm going to list the MSRP total value of the box. Knowing that there is a $90 product, it's going to be up there. I'm guessing maybe $140, $150, which is a really great return on investment for $25. But now I want to hear from you. What did you think of this month's box? If you love and enjoy hair masks, you probably would love this box more than I do. Also, I'm super curious if you have ever used this ELEMIS, what's it called? The Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. I've probably received this at least 5 different times, if not more, and I've never tried it. So I think in the new year, I'm definitely going to do a full try on of products from ELEMIS, and maybe I'll just move forward without using a serum. I don't know. I always use a serum when I do my skincare routine, but I don't own one from ELEMIS yet. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.